Okay, here's my control box. I just finished putting it together and testing it. I still have to figure out how the controls work, but I just figured out how to set it to Fahrenheit and tested some of the circuits, the two pumps. Light goes on indicating the pump comes on. Light goes on indicating the pump comes on. Light goes on. This obviously controls the water pump. Obviously controls the top one. I'll have to label that water pump. This is the mash pump. I'll have to label that. I've tested it. It works. The power button with the light. The RIMS controls the automatic temperature control. I set it here, and it reads the temperature through the probes down here. Here's the probe for the RIMS. And this is the probe for the boil kettle, which won't do anything but give me a reading of the water, so I know how hot it is, when to pump it. And this one will give a reading back to the PID right here, and it will send a message to this switch, which will send a message to turn this back on and turn on the heating element. Right now it's going on and off, which set it right about the 79, 80. It needs some attention on how to set it. I'm not sure how to do it yet. Everything seems to be working except that. Let me just turn this off. I have a GFI on the outside, which protects me and in case I wired something wrong, and shuts everything off. Turns everything back on. And the main power button turns everything off too. Okay, that's a short review on my RimsControl box for brewing. Okay, this is my RIMS heating unit. It has a stainless steel water heating element, 110. Missing a 1.5 inch by 9 inch pipe right here, which is coming any day, and fluid will go inside one and get heated and out the other, back into the brewer, the grain extractor, which we'll see later. My electrical connections will be made here. The wire will go in a hole back here with a grommet. In the back, the wire will go right here. In the back of my salt shaker, that is going to screw onto here. Nice little doohickey, huh? And the other end will get plugged into the control out that's being controlled by the PID, which we saw earlier. So that's the general idea.